Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Jira access from your Google Workspace account, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Jira access from your Google Workspace account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Jira login page. Click on the Login with Google button. You will be redirected to the Google sign-in page. Enter your Google Workspace email address. Click on Next. Input your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps as required. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to Jira. On the Jira dashboard, look for the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to access the administration menu. From the drop-down, select User Management. In the User Management section, locate Group. Click on Add Group if you need to create a new group for access permissions. Name your group appropriately according to your project needs. Now, go back to the Jira dashboard and click on Applications in the Settings menu. Scroll to the Application Links section. Enter your Google Workspace URL to establish the link between Jira and Google. Click on Create New Link. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the application integration. Return to the User Management section. Select the group you created earlier. Add users from your Google Workspace account to this group. Once all users are added, navigate to the specific project within Jira that you want to grant access. Open the project settings. Go to the Permissions section. Adjust the permissions to include the group you created. Make sure to save all changes. Verify that users can log into Jira using their Google Workspace credentials. Test the access by having a user log in. If everything is set up correctly, they should be able to access Jira without issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.